Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Him. In our previous class, we learned some rules on affirmative to negative. Today, we are also going to learn some other rules on affirmative to negative. Please take out your note khata and write down what I write. Affirmative to negative. Write down, please. Number one, every equal to there is no but. Today we are going to learn number one, every. If you see, there is every in your affirmative sentence. If you want to make it negative, what you will do? Please write down. I am giving an example. Every mother loves her. Look, I have written a sentence. You will also write the sentence. There is every. How we will make it negative? Look, I have written a sentence. Every mother loves her child. How you will make it negative? There is no mother but loves her child. At the place of every, there is no. Then at this place, dot dot, I have written just what is after every mother. There is no mother but loves her child. You can also make this sentence negative. Another one. Look, there is no mother who does not love her child. You can also make this sentence negative in this way. So, I am giving you an example, another example. Please try to make it negative. Every student needs a computer. Please try to make it negative. Perhaps you are trying. Can I start it? Perhaps you have written. Match it with me. There is no student but needs a computer. You can also make this sentence negative in this way. There is no student who does not may need a computer. Perhaps you have understood this rule. Have you understood? Perhaps you have understood. I am going another rule. Write down with me. Number 2. By without. If you see in your affirmative sentence there is by. If you want to make it negative, we will have to use without. Write down with me. By going to school regularly, you can make a good result. We see there is by. So at first we will have to use without. At the place of by, I will use without. Without going to school, you cannot. You cannot make a good result. We know by and without both are preposition, and we also know after preposition we will have to add ing with base by. So without going to school, and next portion after comma you will have to use cannot or could not. If the tense is present tense, you will have to use cannot, and if you see the tense is past tense, you will have to write would not. I am giving you another example. Number B. By studying hard, he got GPA 5. Try to solve. Try to make this sentence negative. Please try. Look, here is what you will have to you will have to try. Either it will be cannot or could not. Have you written? Perhaps you have tried. Match your answer with me. Without without studying hard, he could not. We see get got gotten. Here got is past form. So I am writing could not. Could not get CPA. Clear to you? See in your affirmative sentence, use without, and after comma you use cannot or could not. You will bring. You will have to must be cannot or could not. If you see the tense is present tense, you will write cannot, and if you see the tense is past tense like got, you will use could not. Next, another example, another rule. We are going another rule. Number 3. Look, the equal to no other. In class 8, you know that you have no degree, but you have degree another way. How? Look how you will do degree in this way. He is the best boy in the class. Look, it is assertive sentence, but it is the superlative degree. The, we know the and one of the come in the superlative form. It is degree, but our question is you will have to make it negative. If you want to make negative the superlative degree, and if there is the, you will have to bring no other. That means you will have to make it one positive degree. You will have to make it positive degree. So no other boy in the class is as good as he. Actually, it is the our question is positive degree affirmative sentence, and our answer is it is less. And if you see all of them, then you will make it positive degree by using very few. The it is positive degree, and if you want to make it negative, you will have to use other. All of the is also superlative degree, and if you want to make it negative, you will have to use very few. Very few also negative word. Example: she is one of the tallest girls in the class. Look, all of them. It is also superlative degree, but you will have to make it negative. And if you want to make it negative, you will have to be very few. That means you will have to make it positive degree. Try to solve this with me. Very few girls in the class are as tall as she. Look, here is one of the I have used very few, and here was the and I have used no other. Try to understand and write down these two sentences in your notebook. Please write down quickly. I will do another rule. Perhaps you have finished. So I am going another rule. Number 4. Then any other. It is also used in quantitative degree. And if you want to make this kind of sentence into a negative sentence, you will have to bring no others. That means you will have to make it positive degree. We are going an example. We are giving an example. Look, she is taller than any other girl in the class. Look, I have written a sentence. She is taller than any other, and here is than any other. Actually, it is a complete degree. If you want to make it negative, you will have to make it actual positive degree. And as there is there any other, we will have to make it positive degree. Please write down answer with me. She is taller than any other girl in the class. We will have to use no other. Actually, we are going to make it positive degree by using what? No other girl is as tall as she in the class. And if you see the most other, if you see the most other, then you will have to make it positive degree using very few. Look, she is taller than most other girls in the class. We see there than most other. So if you want to make it negative, you will have to make it actually positive degree, and you will have to use very few. Very few girls in the class are as tall as she. Actually, these two sentences are comparative degree, and you will have to make negative. And if you want to make negative, actually you will have to make this sentence positive degree. So if you see there the any other, you will have to bring no other, and if you see that most other, you will have to very few. Please write down your homework. Perhaps you have finished it. Have you finished? Okay. Now write down homework. You will have to make negative. Affirmative to negative. Every nation has its own flag. D. By working hard, she made a good result. Number C. She was the most beautiful girl in the class. Number D. He was bigger than any other man. Stop. Number E. everyone is dancing. Everyone is dancing in the world. You will have to make these 5 sentences. Ever make two negative. Okay. Hope you will make this sentence into negative. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.